No, I don't.
Hi, what's your name?
Dylan.
Brendan, you don't tell.
Do you go to school, Dylan?
Yeah.
You don't tell.
Oh, what's your teacher's name?
Miss Laura.
Miss Laura? And do you have a girlfriend?
No.
No girlfriends yet? You haven't been married yet?
No, I broke up with her.
You did? Why?
Because she was slamming doors and trying to punch a door.
What for?
I don't know, because we were fighting.
What about?
Because she was just banging around. I'm friends away, young lady, and I'm going down to your house.
I bet you got frustrated, didn't you?
Yep.
Got really frustrated
and
with
met
her?
her.
Yeah.
She's never come to my house ever again.
And you're never going to go on a date with her again?
Nope. And
No?
I'm not going to get married.
Not getting married?
No, you know what?
What?
I was going to have my whole family, not girlfriends, though.
You're just going to be a bachelor?
Uh-huh. Be kids still.
Be a kid all forever, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Stay your age, same age.
Mhm. 4.
That's a good age, isn't it?
Mhm. Bye.